Hi, I'm Yarnie, brand ambassador at YarnCat, and I'm back today with another great feature of the YarnCat app. You can view all of your stashed yarns in the stash list view. By default, they are sorted by date added. However, using the More menu, you can also sort them alphabetically, by skein amount, or weight. You can also refresh from the More menu or pull to refresh. Export your yarns to CSV or search your stashed yarns by name for quick access. From the stash list view, click the plus sign to add a new yarn to your stash. You can choose between searching the Ravelry database or adding all of the info manually. In the Add Yarn view, you can enter the brand name, status, colorway, dye lot, weight, and yardage. In addition, you can add the shop it was bought from or any notes you want. Searching Ravelry's database fills in the yarn information for you, allowing you to just add info that is unique to your stash. With the Stash Details page, you can see all of the relevant information about your yarn. You can edit using the Edit button, or access the More menu to add or update photos, delete, or view on Ravelry. In addition, our awesome Stash Buster feature is accessible from here as well. Check out the linked video for more info. You can download YarnCat on Google Play or the App Store. Comments, questions, suggestions? Leave them below or on our Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter pages. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching!